Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I'm using a sticker kit by Fab Planner Print called Fairy Tale, and I'll leave a link below for that. The shop is closed currently, but I will leave a link for it. It will be open again in a couple of days if you are watching this, as it has gone up onto YouTube. And I will also give you my code, which is 10Sarah, and that is to get 10% off in the shop, no minimum spend as well. So before I use my sticker kit, I'm just framing my pages. I always do this because I use an A5 planner, and I like to just choose whichever sticker kit I want, and then I use this to frame the edges so that I can make any sticker kit fit my pages, so it doesn't matter what size or what kind of planner it's made for. So I've added some cute bows and a bit of glitter on there as well. Now I'm just going to add the days of the week across the top, and then I just add a bit of extra washi and glitter washi over Sunday there so that I can then make it look nice and matchy with the top bit, and I'll just add Sunday on top of that afterwards. I'll just stick these down. Next up, I am going to add in the deco washi from the kit. There's a few pieces of this. I've chosen to use the fairy one on either side. I have got some extra pieces to use at a later date if I want to. There's some pretty glitter silver effect, and I think there's some little unicorns as well. Just adding my habit trackers at the bottom there, which I use for exercise and also for vitamins. And at the top there I've got a checklist, which is for my cleaning, and then at the bottom here I add in boxes, which is for my plans for YouTube and social media, etc., for my crafting and planning, etc. So now I'm just adding these extra little stickers in here there to do my meal plans for each day of the week. And then I'm also adding in a flag there for an online delivery of groceries, and I do have a coffee morning to go to on Friday for charity, so I've added that in there as well. I've also added a wash sheets and wash bedding sticker as well, just to remind me to get that done. There's a planner sticker on Monday, that is to get my Plan With Me filmed. And now in between I'm just adding a few of these lovely little deco stickers, where now that I've got a space for all the things I want to do throughout the week, I'm now adding, not from the kit, some little nursery stickers so that I can add in when my little boy's at nursery. I've got a Happy Mail sticker at the bottom there because I know that I'm expecting a delivery, so I will have a video for some new stickers there coming up soon as well. And I'm just adding a few extra decos just to finish it off. And I'm just showing you here my new little adhesive planner pocket, which I've not put into my planner yet. I'm still deciding where I want to put it, but I love it. It's so pretty. And now I'm just going to punch out my pages and pop them back in my planner, which will be getting changed over for a Halloween autumn theme very soon, so watch out for the video for that too. And that is me done. So thanks for joining me today. Do check out Fab Planner Print, and if you'd like to see more from me, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day everyone. Bye.